In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Google Docs 2024 quick and easy. If you've ever reached the end of a document and found an extra empty page staring back at you, you're not alone. This happens a lot, and it's usually caused by little things you can't easily see, like extra line breaks or hidden spacing. The fix is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to your work with a clean, professional-looking document. First, open the file in Google Docs where the blank page appears. Make sure you're in the document that actually shows the extra page. Sometimes it only appears when you're in print layout or when the content stretches just enough to spill onto a new page. Next, scroll to the page right before the empty one. Positioning yourself here is important because the hidden spacing that creates that extra page almost always lives at the end of the content on the previous page. Think of it like a dangling line break that quietly pushes everything onto a fresh page. Now, click at the very end of the last sentence or paragraph on that page. Your cursor should be directly after the final character, after the period or final letter, with no space in between. This precise placement ensures you're targeting the extra spacing that's nudging your document into a new page. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Backspace. On a Mac, press Delete. Keep pressing the key repeatedly until the blank page disappears. You might see the cursor jump up slightly as it removes extra paragraph breaks or hidden spacing. If you accidentally remove a character you wanted to keep, don't worry, you can simply undo and try again, pressing more gently or one tap at a time. Once those extra spaces or breaks are gone, the blank page should vanish. If it's still there, make sure your cursor is truly at the very end of the content and continue pressing. Sometimes there are multiple invisible breaks stacked together, and it may take a few presses to clear them all. This works because blank pages are usually caused by extra paragraph breaks, hidden spacing, or other non-visible characters at the end of your content. Pressing backspace or delete removes those elements one by one until the document no longer needs that extra page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.